Hey guys, so I wanted to film a whole video showing you my whole like room and my whole makeup collection because I have way too much fucking makeup. Like, I know that sounds like I don't know how to describe how much makeup I have until I literally show y'all it. I get a good 9 to 10 boxes a day in the mail of free shit, like all the time. Clothes, makeup, etc., etc. I feel like I have way too much for any one person's own good. And just so you know, I do donate a fuck ton of it to the women's shelters and like giveaways and I did like a fuck ton of giveaways last like Christmas or whatever. I did like a full week of giveaways, like full week. So I am giving away, I'm doing all that, but I just wanted to show y'all what I have right now. I'm in the process of cleaning a lot of it and getting it all together for women's shelters and just giveaways. But there's too much happening in my life right now for me to focus on that, but it will be happening soon because I need to clean it out. So I'm gonna show y'all that right now. So I have like a vanity right here for just like, I don't know, just to sit here because it's like cute to sit here, I guess. But yeah, I have like a whole vanity right here. There's makeup in these drawers and I'll go through all the makeup in a second, but I just want to show you the layout. Over here is where I have my studio. I have that, which I ripped, but I have my whole studio over here. And then I have more drawers all in here. I have like a couch setting area, but there's a lot of like PR and shit, like just boxes of like literally so much makeup for like no reason, like hundreds of shades of like everything, like this giant box of Laura Mercier like lipsticks and all this shit. So I'm gonna go through some of it. I have a whole other room in there that's filled with boxes of makeup as well, but I'm just gonna show y'all all my personal concealers, just a bunch of like random ass like concealers that I use for me sometimes, a bunch of NARS concealers, again more random ass like boxes and just shit in my room. My room isn't 100% picked up, but I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like when I'm like actually like using it and not just like I don't want to be like one of those other YouTubers who like pick up their whole room and make it look crazy nice. Like that's like really like not realistic at all. So I picked up my makeup section and like kind of my room. But yeah, so here are like brushes I use on a daily basis just in this Morphe container. Here are, oh, okay, well done. Here are all my favorite palettes, my highlighters, like all the Anastasia palettes, all the Jeffree Star highlighters, the James Charles palette, my Z palette, the Alien palette, like every palette you can think of that's like cute right now is all in here. I have like this random cigarette crown I made, which I'll use someday. Bunch of random lashes here, random shit. The Blue Blood palette right here. All my different, like some of my different setting sprays. This is more so just like my favorite stuff. Like just, this is gross shit in here, but it's like, as I'm filming this, I'm realizing how messy it actually is. This is kind of embarrassing to show off, but like, whatever. I have all my dip brows here. A lot of my favorite like face powders are in here, like my Kylie brush, my Kylie blush, a bunch of highlighters, just like Anastasia, like contour kits right there, and stuff like bronzers and highlighters and stuff. And then in this drawer is all my like liquids that I like use on a not daily basis, but just like I would use, like MAC strobe cream, Makeup Forever foundation, just a bunch of foundations, hydrating oils, all this stuff. A container of beauty blenders, paper towels, etc., etc. I have like a cute mirror here, and then my ring light and my camera. That. And then I have this nasty ass drawer of just honestly trash. And then here's my special effects drawer, which is nasty. Ew, that's so embarrassing to show. Oh my god, okay. I have all the Jeffree Star like boxes that he sent me of like all the lipsticks and stuff. Some like Laura, like LA Girl, all the LA Girl Pro concealers. More random shit. My friend brought me these fake breast things just because like I'm weird. All this. Every single Anastasia, Jeffree Star, MAC, Huda Beauty, Makeup Forever, every single makeup brand you can think of pretty much I have every single lipstick shade of, but I only have like some of my favorites out. Like all my Jeffree ones are taken out because I use them all the time. I had my mom custom make this Louis Vuitton for me because she makes all these lip holders for me as well. Here's like a plate of all my favorite like perfumes and stuff, like this cute Louis plate. Chanel brush holders and shit. And then here comes the thousands and thousands of dollars worth of fucking makeup. There is so much shit. It literally never ends. Like it literally just keeps going. Look at this. foundations, highlighters, like all the Huda Beauty setting powders, Laura Mercier highlighters, more random shit, more highlighters and stuff, brushes, foundations, concealers, and then every Huda Beauty concealer with a bunch of MAC foundations and stuff. And these are all just boxes full of different makeup stuff that I've been sent, as well as in here, and all underneath my couch. And then these drawers, like this is just some concealers and lip liners, some more Anastasia. This is when I got my Anastasia box when they sent me the PR kit of every single like eyeshadow and like brow stuff. Random drawer. These are all my cute pictures from when I went to the Versace mansion. Look at this. Look how sick I look in that. Ah, those are so cute. This was literally the cutest thing ever. This is like me and Nicolette when we were there. Look at this. Aw, okay. Anyways, here's all my favorite skincare stuff. Some more Every Makeup Forever HD foundation. More. Oh, these are all highlighters. More here, and some more stuff down here. And then in the other room. So here are all a bunch of NARS stuff. Here are all the other boxes that are just literally full of shit. This whole container is like full of like MAC and NARS and shit. Hold on. This whole container is full of like lip liners and like MAC stuff, like actually like nice as fuck shit. And then just more random things that I was supposed to bring back to my room, but I like never did. Like I've never tried the Anastasia palette yet. I really need to so bad. And then it's all this other shit, just like, my shit is literally everywhere. Ugh. This is my part of the room. Sorry, I was just traveling. So that's why my shit's all out. I just have like my Louis bag and like some few other shit over here. Those are supposed to light up, but I was too lazy to like put batteries in them again. They like light up pink and it's really cute. And then I have my giant ass mirror right here that I like take selfies in all the time, and it's like colorful. I can have it switch colors, but I'm always too lazy to do that. But at nighttime it looks super sick. So there's that. And then my closet is over here. It's all color coordinated because I am that bitch who color coordinates all of his clothes. It's like kind of color coordinated. I like kind of like gave up midway through, but it's like, it's there. It's like stacked thick. This like cute deer thing I made with my off-white belts next to it. My mom is so cute. She has me a custom like Coca-Cola knobs for my thing. My light fixture in here is literally a skateboard. Look at that. Yo, look at that! Oh my God, focus. What? That is so cute. My mom is like such a bad bitch, like period. Look at her, like, more clothes, just shit in here. But yeah, this is basically my room. There really isn't much else to show you. I hope this isn't too short of a video, but I just wanted to show you all off some of my room. All of y'all are always wondering like what it looks like and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for cursing a lot. I need to like fix on that. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow my Instagram. It is Ethanisupreme, and my Snapchat is trashqueenethan, as well as my Twitter. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get like notified every time I upload, because my content, I'm trying to work. I'm really working fucking hard for content, okay? So y'all need to support me, like for real. Like I'm trying here. So I will be in LA next weekend as well, so I'll have the best content ever. I'll be staying at Nicolette's house. I'm like so excited. So I hope y'all get to watch that vlog as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.